Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock football merch pack in Heartopia Football Club event update. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the event menu and open up the Football Club event. And you can go to the Acorn store, guys, to buy football merch. I'm going to click on Go Purchase. And here you will be able to buy the Aster football screen, and then this one, football inflatable sofa, football pennant banner, and Aster football choppy. You can buy the pack and you will get discount, 20% discount. And you can also buy the item one by one from here. And I think I'm gonna go with the choppy. And we can buy it with Moonlight crystals, guys. So you need to farm the Moonlight crystals. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the football merch pack in Heartopia Football Club event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!